everyone, Kensurfs here, and it's Monday, President's Day holiday here in the US. I have Monday off, and I'm back from my trip. So I'll kind of recap during this shave about the events of the Valentine's Day weekend travel trip. And as you can see, I actually never got an opportunity to shave when I was up there. But waking up, somebody had asked, hey, I see you drinking coffee, but you used to have this cup and I never see it anymore. There's my cup. What is it? Real men shave with a blade. There you go. So to the gentleman who asked, I still have the cup. Let me set this aside. I had every intention. I brought my kit. I had every intention of shaving on that trip. I brought my nutsack. And no, I'm not kidding, man. That's the shave kit. Nutsack. And I had every intention of shaving when I was up there. Let's see here. I'm opening it up, getting out some of the goodies. You don't need to see toothpaste. Don't need to see any of that stuff. But I got my travel brush. We'll be using that today. It's the Vulfix little travel brush. Fits right in there. We'll be using that today. For the aftershave, I was going to use the Pitralon. Remember that one? I haven't used that in a while. We'll be using the Pitralon. And I brought the Peppermint shaving cream. In fact, I'm gonna, I did bring the blue travel bowl. There we go. To use this in, because I was going to use it right out of this, but it's pretty dang soft. In fact, you can take that right out with your finger. So I'm going to use that. I hope you guys had a good weekend. I had a great weekend. Got to do a lot of traveling. Drove up about 4 hours from here. I'm in Southern California, about 30 miles south of Los Angeles. So I went with my wife for Valentine's Day. She had planned this getaway, and I got to admit, I'm usually, need a razor. See, I get to talking. I got the Merkur 34, and I already had the blade in there. I forgot what type it was. Taking that blade out. I'll put in a Gillette super thin. I hadn't cleaned that razor in a while, and that blade, and she got a little rusty. You don't want to have that. You don't want to be shaving with rust. You need your tetanus shot. There we go. All right, so now I'm set. I would have shaved right up there at the Madonna Inn. We went up to San Luis Obispo, which is, like I said, about 4 hours north of here. Maybe 3 hours north of here. It's not that far. But man, it rained. It rained good. All right, stay focused. I'm gonna put this into the crystal skull right there. When I'm traveling, I usually just take a little cup of hot water and soak the brush in. But I'm here in the room, so why not? I've already had a shower. Let's wet the face. Good. We'll get this shave and tall tales started. So I left Thursday, Valentine's Day, with my wife, and to get 30 miles on the 405 freeway. First of all, it's a weekday. Man, she's working good. It's a weekday, so I'm trying to get through. There's your thick cream, everybody. Peppermint. Try to get through Los Angeles, 30 miles, 2 hours. 2 hours on the 405 freeway to get from Huntington Beach past Beverly Hills towards the 101. Bumper to bumper traffic. I told my wife we need to leave early, maybe 5. We left at 5 after 6. What a mistake. But I promised her, she'd been watching my video too, and she was, you're not going to give me a rant, are you, on the trip? I said, no rant. I enjoyed the music and the 10-mile-an-hour travel. maybe 8 miles an hour. But it was raining. And in California, you guys in Europe and the Midwest and the East, you probably think rain, big deal. It rains here in California. Drivers freak the heck out. They forget how to drive. I'm not lying. I saw 2 overturned cars completely on their roof up the side slope of the 101 freeway in Santa Barbara. One lady facing on the right side the wrong way. She had smashed into something, spun around, was facing ongoing traffic in the fast lane. And then on the other side of the freeway, as I was passing, one guy must have they were fishing him off a cliff. They had like emergency personnel, everything, and it was a cliff down towards the ocean. You know, a slope. I won't say a cliff. So hopefully they were okay. But, and then another big overturn on the other side of the freeway. And I'm driving along at one point at 50 miles an hour, 60 in the rain, and I hit that 3 inches of water. And I was in with my 4-wheel drive. My wife says, let's take the 4-wheel drive. I'm going, I don't need a 4-wheel drive. Crappy gas mileage. Let's take my Challenger. Man, God bless her. I'm glad she told me to bring it. We started hydroplaning. Fortunately, in the straight direction, all these lights came on indicating I was in a skid, and came through it. So we don't see much rain here in California, and unfortunately I don't think they designed it quite for those torrential rains that we've been having, so it kind of overwhelms the system. But if you're ever in SoCal, or if you've been driving the 101 freeway between San Francisco and Los Angeles, you've probably seen that big pink hotel called the Madonna Inn. And I've driven past it dozens and dozens of times. Never stopped. Well, she booked us a night at that Madonna Inn in a suite. And I got to admit, good call, Mrs. Kensurfs. Hats off. Just amazing. The room looked like something out of a James Bond villain lair. And the bathroom actually had a walk-in rock shower. You were like in a waterfall. Check it out. All right, check out this bathroom. Look at this his and her sinks. Real rock, solid rock, deep. Got the heated John with a bidet. Check out this shower. I put this down so I wouldn't slip on my butt. Come in here. Huge shower. One hell of a bathroom. I mean, just amazing. Amazing. And then my wife and daughter have become vegans of late, and actually for dietary reasons, and they've been losing weight, and God bless them, but they don't eat meat anymore. All the vegetables and stuff, but they have a world famous steakhouse at that Madonna Inn, and I've been looking forward to it. So yeah, my wife, God bless her, she went for steak with me, but she, of course, just had vegetables, and it was Valentine's Day evening. That place was booked solid. We had an 8 o'clock reservation. I was starving, but we got in, and on the menu, I was happy to see that, check it out. Check out one of my favorite guys, favorite actors. Didn't realize John Wayne was a partner with the owner of the Madonna Inn. And yeah, I was looking through the books and they had like Ronald Reagan there and just so many celebrities go to that place. And I just had never been. Fantastic evening. Then we went up further north to Cambria, Moonstone Beach, which is by Hearst Castle. You guys have heard William Randolph's Hearst Castle. And this is the time of year where they have those elephant seals. Those big, giant seals come to the beaches to mate and, you know, their migration. And we went, there's a viewing point near Hearst Castle, and you're kind of on a cliff overlooking the, you know, you can hear them and you can see them. But it was raining there. And it rained, yeah, I bought my, from England, Bear Grylls jacket, one of those waterproof jackets. I see him wearing it in his show with Bear Grylls when he takes a celebrity out. So I bought one of those jackets from England. I figured, hey, I'm going to stay dry. This is going to be awesome. We get out of the car. It's about 40 degrees and the heavy rain starts. Then it's hail. I mean, hail coming down, just beating the hell out of the engine. So we aborted that mission and we're driving back towards the hotel. We get about a mile south and there's a walking trail where you can actually walk through the grass to the beach. Well, a bunch of those elephant seals had migrated there and they're lying around. So I don't know if we were supposed to go in, but I said, come on, let's go check this out. So there was some tourists there and me and the wife went in, and God bless her, she didn't realize we were going to be that close to those 800 to 4,000 pound seals. And some of them started flopping towards you. You know, they don't run, but they flop towards you. And she freaked out, beeline back to the car. So I kind of kept the cool and I took a video. Check this out. I thought that was, I didn't have to run. That one remained mellow. But we got out of there and she was very happy. And you don't really get to see, that's like going up to, well, not a tiger, because of course they can run fast. But yeah, I didn't want to get flattened by, imagine, Kensurfs killed by 4-ton friggin' elephant seal trying to take photos for his YouTube channel. All right. Got my window mirror fogging up in here. There we go. All right, my wife and daughter are home from the vegan restaurant breakfast. No cuts. There's your travel shave. I promised you, I apologize. There's your travel shave. What a good trip though, very relaxing. Got to take off Thursday, Friday. Today's Monday. Back to work for 4 days. I get all the soap out of my ear. You guys caught me last time. I left that soap in. But I drive by those places all the time. Never stop. What a, fantastic place. I'm trying to get on her. One place I've seen that I've wanted to visit ever since seeing Alfred Hitchcock's North by Northwest. You know where I'm going with this? South Dakota. I want to go see Mount Rushmore. And she seems open to it. Just to see it, and the spectacle of it all. I've never seen it, I want to. And it's near Sturgis, so you can go see where the bikers go, and where we go. I used to have a Harley back in the days, 1978, Harley Shovelhead, but Sportster, it's not Shovelhead, Sportster, excuse me. Had the chopper look. But man, it's dangerous out here in California riding motorcycles. I mean, I'd read accident reports. I investigate accidents for a living. And so many motorcycles getting killed out here because of the other cars that I gave it up. But I would like to see Sturgis. Right. Hope you're doing good. I've been reading a lot of the comments. I was reading one of my comments from a friend of mine, Burke Blair. and he was telling me that the three people that he originally watched, Nick Shaves, I think it was Shave Busta, I think it was, and me, those two other guys, they're not doing any videos anymore. And yeah, I looked at Nick Shaves, it's been about a year, but I understand he's a doctor now. You guys maybe know more. Maybe you can let me know. I think he's all right. I think he's just doing full-time doctor. I think he may even be a surgeon. So if you guys know for sure, people have been asking me and I've been giving my speculation on that. But if you guys know for sure, I think he's okay. I just don't think he has time to do videos anymore. You know, being a doctor's a stressful job. Forget engineering, that tenfold more stress. Thank you very much for watching, guys and girls. And look forward to doing another shave soon. I had a new mail call with some new razors, and I was catching up on my James Bond movies last night. In fact, I want to watch Diamonds Are Forever. I just watched Casino Royale, so I need to do another James Bond shave soon. So I've got some more props coming in the mail for the next shave. I got 2 of them lined up. All right, everybody. Till next time, it's Kensurfs. Have a great night. Thank you for watching, and thank you for putting up with my ramblings of the travel. All right, talk to you next time.